Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. Look how dark that freaking mountain is, because it's being blocked by the clouds there. It is extremely windy out today, and I'm having one of the Monday mornings. You ever wake up and wish you just stayed in bed? That's what's going on with me today. Drove all the way out here, 20 minutes to get out here. Got out of my car, realized I forgot my camera. I had to drive all the way back to my house to get my camera. It's very, very windy. I don't know what the weather's supposed to be like today, but it's beautiful. Feels great, except for the wind. So you see it there? I'm going to go for a short hike today, a walk actually. I'm not going to hike up any mountains. Body is not feeling delicious today. My body is extremely stiff and sore from hiking up that A mountain. My right knee is really bothering me this morning. Look at this cactus. What is going on here? Got all kinds of, I don't know what that is on there. Some kind of sap or something. Last night after I ended my hangout, I got up, took 2 steps and ripped the bottom of my right foot. This foot by the toe, pinky toe, but on the bottom, split open about that long. And it's very painful. It's easier to walk with shoes on than it is trying to walk barefooted. I don't know why that happened. I didn't have any shoes on last time when that happened. I was barefooted. I took 2 steps. I was going to go play with Jerry, but immediately, when it rips like that, it feels like somebody just get a knife and just slices you right open. And it's not like a new rip, but it's an old rip that happened a long time ago, and then it just like reopened itself again. Ooh, that wind is strong. So I'm dealing with that this morning. And I didn't go to bed late last night. I went to bed early. 11 o'clock, that's early for me. And I didn't get up till 8 o'clock this morning. So, and I am running behind today. I don't know if it's just because it's Monday morning or I'm just having one of them days today. So, I don't have any motivation whatsoever to go hike up any kind of hills. I just want to come out here and get a little walk in and leave and go work and then get my day done so I can soak my foot. I gotta think of some kind of exercise to do because I'm not giving myself time to heal. The left foot, when I ripped that right under the bottom of the big toe, that's already closed up. That doesn't bother me no more. It's a nice day out today though. If it wasn't so windy. But you know, there's people in other parts of the country that are dealing with more severe weather. So just get out here and get some sunshine. I'm pretty sure once I get my walk done, I'll be feeling better. I just in one of those moods today. Can't have every day hunky-dory, right? Oh, I've been on that trail many times. But I've never gone that way. So today I'm going that way to see what's down there. Hopefully I got the wind in my back and the camera's not picking up all the wind noise. Let's go see what's down this way. You're like a donkey in the background. It's supposed to be about 85 degrees today, so we'll see. Wind is really blowing right now. The camera's picking that up. It's like we get these huge wind gusts. This is weird to be hiking and then look up and then just see these power lines. So I was watching some other videos this morning people in other parts of Arizona seeing snakes already out. So that means I gotta be more careful out here now. The winter time is the best time to hike in the desert because you don't have to worry about anything. This warmer weather, this early spring is bringing out here. I got all kinds of lizards running around in my yard now, and prairie dogs, and winter went by just way too fast. I was enjoying the long hikes out in the desert, not having to worry about snakes. But now I have to keep reminding myself, watch out for snakes, because they're going to be pretty aggressive because they've been hibernating all winter and they're pretty much going to be hungry when they come out. A lot of freaking cholla cactus over here. That lady was funny because I think I made her nervous or something, because she was like, I was like, that's a pretty horse. She's like, yeah, he's a pretty ornery horse. He doesn't like strange people. Like, I don't know what that was supposed to mean. She was walking him, and then she decided to get up on him and ride away. I don't know what that means. He doesn't like strange people. She would have really freaked out if I had my bat mask on, which I forgot. I'm forgetting everything today. I don't know what's going on either, because it's not like I stayed up really late last night, but it just, I woke up this morning like so freaking tired. I didn't get up one time at all last night. I must have got too much sleep. That's probably what happened. And my brain is like, no, you go ahead and go on without me, I'll wait here. So I've been kind of airhead today, forgetting stuff. There's a lot of cholla cactuses around here. Yeah, the clouds are just moving along behind that mountain there. Oh man, that wind's blowing me over. This wind has my sinuses all acting up. I'm not seeing anything spectacular out here. I'm not even seeing any birds or hearing birds or anything. The only thing cool I'm seeing is how the clouds are moving behind that mountain. The wind's just blowing them really quick. It looks so cool. Well, I came to a split in the road, a fork, two trails. That one goes that way, and then this one turns this way. Oh, here comes somebody up behind me. It looks so cool how the clouds are going behind the mountains. How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good.
Get some good pictures?
Yeah, video. Clouds going behind the mountains. Very cool. Alright, well, I'm going to try to go back. We can mark this trail off the bucket list. Been here, done that. Look how dead that tree looks. I'm about halfway back to my car. The wind is so crazy blowing. And it's blowing right at me as I'm walking. And it's really, really hard to walk against this strong wind. I don't know if you can hear the noise it's making. There's another big gust coming. It's blowing down this freaking river right here because it's like a tunnel with trees. And it's calming down. Now it's picking up again. It messes with my sinuses. There's another gigantic wind gust. Temperature feels really, really good right now though. Beautiful sunshine. Look at this. I'm about 10 minutes from my car. I'm just trying to push through this hike today. This wind is not helping at all. And just trying to think of what I'm going to do today. And I realized that not only did I forget my camera, I had to go back and get my camera. I forgot my tripod, got my bag mask, and my wallet. So, swirls like swaying back and forth from the wind. This sucker's seen better days though, man. Look how rough that thing looks. I'm probably going to lose a lot of this video due to the wind. It is blowing like crazy. Anyways, I'll get this walk done and then work on the rest of the day of trying to get out of this freaking mood I'm in today. Crazy wind. Alright, I got myself in a 35-minute walk this morning. Pushed through the pain and the wind and just crabby, grumpy attitude this morning. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to work on that the rest of the day. Got to go to work. So remember, if you like these kind of videos, smash that like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos as always. And I am good, gone.